Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to connect your Axiom wallet to Phantom, a handy move if you're trading on Axiom Pro and want Phantom's sleek interface. It's a simple process. Let's get to it. First, log in into axiom.trade with your credentials or connected wallet. Once you're on the dashboard, click your profile icon or wallet address in the top right. Look for Account or Manage Address. That's where your Axiom wallet lives, starting with AX. In the Accounts section, find View Recovery Key or Export Private Key. Click to reveal it. You might need to confirm with a password or two-factor authentication if prompted. Copy that private key, it's a long string of characters, and keep it secure. Now switch to Phantom. If you have it, grab the browser extension from Phantom app or the mobile app. Open it, and if you're starting fresh, set up a new account and a new wallet. If you've got one, add it to Axiom Wallet. After that, import the Axiom key. In Phantom, click in the menu, top left on mobile or top right in the browser, and pick or add or connect wallet. Choose import private key. Paste the private key you've gotten from Axiom, hit import, and Phantom will load it as a new account. Name it something like Axiom Wallet to keep track. Check your balance in Phantom. Your Axiom Solana and tokens should now show up on the Solana network. If it's empty, ensure you copied the right key and that Axiom's funds are still there. Send a small test amount from the Phantom to confirm it's working both ways. And that's it. Your Axiom's wallets are now working and is connected with Phantom. You've got the best of both worlds for managing your trades. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes in the comments. Like and subscribe for more wallet tricks. See you next time.